Hey, Railfanscajonpass. We're at Blue Cut, but we're right on Route 66 here. That's that road there. Got a westbound, looks like it's main track number 2 or 3. Looks like it's 2. I'll get about milepost 65.1. With some slack popping in the train there. JB Hunt, a couple Amazons in there. With the cost of containers these days, JB Hunt's making a killing. Sounds like something maybe dragging there. Had some pretty cold weather yesterday. Whole bunch of new snow in the mountains. But it's in the low 50s today, so back at it. Right on the San Andreas Fault here, that you see the rock barrier on the left. Starting to see a lot of these JB Hunts, Amazons, and other ones grouped together in bigger bunches now. I watched a documentary yesterday. A lot of them are starting to book their own vessels. And Amazon's building their own containers now. Excuse me, Walmart. They're chartering their own ships. They're smaller and they can take a lot less containers, but they can get through the Suez Canal and the Panama Canal and drop off stuff like in Houston and New Jersey and smaller ports that are open and moving. Suez Canal. Suez. Nope. Got some old ranches up there from the old days. All right, I don't know if we're going to stay here or not. It's a little bit crazy standing on the highway, so we'll decide what we're going to do, and we'll get back to you. Always trying to get you a different look. All right, Rail fans, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. You know I love you guys, and let's all take care of each other, and we'll see you on the next one.